Before we get started with inspections, we should cover how to clean the constant wear vest. Use only mild soap on the life preserver, just like with airline life vest. Then rinse thoroughly with water. The life preserver will dry faster if you inflate it. Wash the cover assemblies separate from the life preservers. When washing spec op covers, follow these instructions carefully to avoid reducing the effectiveness of the fire retardant properties of Nomex. Wash all other covers with mild soap and water. Do not use any harsh solvents. As with airline life vests, constant wear vests must be inspected and tested at regular intervals. And just like airline life vests, there is no service life for constant wear vests. Inspect the life preserver the same way as an airline life preserver. Let's take a look at the cover assembly. We'll start with an old style cover. Check the overall condition. Check the Velcro closure. Check the front zipper. Check the buckle, make sure it works. Check all webbing. Check the two lower front snaps. The next three items apply to the older Spec Ops vests. Let's go back and repeat these steps for the X-Pack cover. Check the Velcro at the bottom of the cover. Check the side zipper that goes around the cover. Check the front zipper. Check the buckle. Check all webbing. This step only applies to X-Pack models. These next four items apply to the X-Pack Moly Plus vest. Check the buddy line. Check the lifting beckets. Check the spray shield and hood. Check the strobe light. Check the batteries in the strobe light. Donning instructions must be legible.